Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all will be in good health, children. So, today we are going to do number work and GK. So, be ready with your GK book and number copy, maths copy. With your pencil, eraser, everything. We will do missing numbers in number work and we will read indoor games and outdoor games in GK. Okay, so be ready with your GK book and number copy, pencil with your pencil, eraser, everything. So let's start the writing work first and then we will do reading. Okay, children, so let's do it. Okay, children, so you must be ready with your maths copy, number copy. So let's start. First, we will put date. So, what is the date today? It's 5 dot which month is going on? First month means January. And which year we have entered? 2021. So write 21. 5th January 2021. What we are going to do? We are going to write missing numbers. Okay, so here we will write, everybody write, please write M I S S I N G. Missing. Everybody has written missing. Take one finger gap and write N U M B E R. Missing number. From where? 101 to 150. Okay, so bracket. Here we will write 1, 0, 1. Okay, now dash 1, 5, 0. 101 to 150. Here we will write HTO, 100 tens ones. So write H, write T, O. Okay, leave one block. Again write H, T, O. Okay, now again leave one block. Write H, T, O. Again leave one block. Write H, T, O. Okay, children. So we have written, how many times we have written HTO? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay. And what is the meaning of HTO? Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones means single digit. Tens means 2 digit. 100 means 3 digits. Okay, so we are going to do missing numbers from 101 to 150. So ready, children? Okay, now the first one. Write 1, 0, 6. Leave the block. Put dash in 3 lines. Again leave the block. 1, 0, 8. Leave the block and put a dash in 3 lines. Okay. So here we have written 106. 6. 108. So 100 is same. We have to see the third digit, that is 6. So we have to find out what comes after 6. So children, what comes after 6? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then 7. So what we will write here? Write 1, 0, 7. 106, 107, 108. And what comes after 8? 109. So how we will write 109? 109. 109. Get it, children? 106, 107, 108, 109. Okay. Now let's come to the next block. And the next block we will leave next block. And the next one is 1, 1 and 2. Okay. 112. 112. Now leave this block. Put a dash here. Again leave this block and write 1, 1, 4. 114. Again leave this block and put a dash in the 3 blocks. Alright. So let's solve this. 112, 114. So 1 is common here. We have to see the last digit. 112. What comes after 2? 3. Very good. So here we will write 1, 1, 3. 113. 112, 113, 114. What comes after 4? It's 5. So we will write, how we will write 115? 1, 1, 5. 115. So we have written 112, 113, 114 and 115. Now again we have to leave the block. Children, please leave the block. Next block. Okay, now we will write 1, 2, 5. 125. Now leave the block. Put a dash in the 3 blocks. Again leave the block and write 1, 2, 7. Leave the next block and put a dash in the next 3 blocks. Okay, let's solve this. 125, 127. See, 1, 2 is same, 1, 2 is same. So, we will see the last digit. Okay. So, what comes after 5? Children, what comes after 5? Let's count it on fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, we will write 126. So, children, please write 1, 2, 6. 126. 125. 126. 127. Now, what comes after 7? 8. Here we have done. What comes after 7? 8. So, how we will write 128? We will write 1, 2, 8. Okay, children? 128. 125, 126, 127, 128. Now, let's move to the next one. Leave the blocks. 1, 3, 6. 136. Now leave the block. Put a dash in the next block. Again leave the block. Write 1, 3, 8. Again leave the block and put a dash in the next 3 blocks. Okay. Now 136. 136. 138. 138. 1 3 is same, 1 3 is same. We have to see the last number. Okay. 136. What comes after 6? Children, we have already done. So what comes after 6? 7. So here we will write 107. Copy the same number. No. How we will write? 1, the same 1, the same 3. But instead of writing 6, we will write 7. 136, 137, 138. And what comes after 8? We have already done this. 9. So 139. Get it, children? Now leave the next block. Everybody, please leave the next block. Now we will write the next number. And what is the next number? That is 144. 1, 4, 4. Again leave the block. Put a dash in the 3 lines, 3 blocks. Again leave the block. 1, 4, 6. Put up, leave the block and a blank in the next 3 blocks. 1 4 4 1 4 6. So the first 2 digits are same. Now we have to see the last digit. 144. What comes after 4? What comes after 4, children? We have already done it. What comes after 4? 5. So the answer is 145. So write 1 4 5. 145. 144. 145. 146. Now what comes after 6? We have already done it. 147. So children, let's write 1 4 7. 147. Now children, leave the block and write the next number, that is 120. 1 2 0. 120. Leave the block. Put a blank. Put a dash in the 3 blocks. Again leave the block. 1 2 2. Leave the block and put a dash in the next 3. 1 2 0. 1 2 2. First 2 digits are same. Now we have to see the last digit, that is 0. So children, what comes after 0? 1. So here we will write 1 2 1. 121. 1 2 1. 120, 121, 122. What comes after 2? 3. So here we will write 123. Done, children? Now leave the next block. Now we will do the next one. That is 137. Okay, children? So write 1 3 7. 137. Leave the block and put a dash in the 3 blocks. Again leave the block. Write 1 3 9 and again leave the block and put a dash in the next 3 blocks. Okay. So 137, 139. This first 2 digits are same. Now we have to find out the last digit, that is 7. So we have already done it. 137. What comes after 7? 8. So here we will write 1 3 8. 138. 137. 138. 139. Now the twist in the story. 139. 139. We have to see the last digit. But what comes after 9? 0, 10. So here the two digits will be changed. Like what comes after 9? 10. Two digits change. So we will convert this 3 into 4. So 140. Okay, children, get my point? Got my point, children? 140. Get it? This we have to practice a lot. 129. What comes after 29? 30, 30. 39, 40. 9, 10, 49, 50, 59, 60. So this we have to practice. Okay, children. Now let's move to the next one. Leave the block again and again write the next digit, that is 141. So 1, 4, 1. 141. Leave the block. Put a dash in the three blocks. Again leave the block. 1, 4, 3. Again leave the block and put a dash in the three blocks. Okay, 1, 4, 1, 4. 141, 143. So we have to, the same first two digits are same. Now we have to see the last digit, that is 1 and 3. So 141, what comes after 1? 2. So here we will write 142, 141, 142, 143. What comes after 3? 144. Okay, children? Done? Now leave the next block and write the next number, that is 102. Write 1, 0, 2. 102. Again leave the block. Put a dash. Leave the block. 104. Leave the block and put a dash in the next three blocks. Now 102, 104. So the first two digits are same. Now we have to see the last digit, that is 2. 102. What comes after 2? 3. So here we will write 103. 103. 102. 103. 104. Children, what comes after 4? 5. So 1, 0, 5. 105. 102, 103, 104 and 105. Now leave the block, next block, and be ready for the next number that I am giving you. That is 117. 1, 1, 7. 117. Okay, children. Now leave the block. Put a dash. Again leave the block. 1, 1, 9. Again leave the block and put a dash in the next three lines, three blocks. 117, 119. See here I have written 9. So the two digit will change. The last number, when we write 9, then the two digit will change. Okay, children? So let's do it. 117 means we have to see the last number, that is 7. What comes after 7? 8. So here we will write 1, 1, 8. 117, 118, 119. What comes after 9? 0. So here we will write 0, but the whole digit, two digit will change. And what comes after 2? 1, 2. So here we will write 2 and 1. 120. In this way also we can write But learn to write like this: 19, what comes after 19? 20. What comes after 39? 40. What comes after 49? 50. What comes after 20? What comes after 19? 20. So we can practice in this way. We can do like this also. This is not the wrong, but we have to practice like that only. Okay, children. So do it in your copy and in a very neat and clean handwriting. And nowadays very few children are sending me work. Okay, so I will mark you absent if you will not send me work. So do send me work every day and be ready with your GK book. Next we are going to read GK. Okay, children, so be ready with your GK book and let's start the GK reading. Okay,